Can you sit back a little bit?
Back a little bit.
Yep.
My fish very short. I have to have a pillow. Đừng có lấy cái pillow đi mà để ôi da ao, ông ngồi bên đây nè. Ôi da chụp this one. Có chữ mai đó Wonder thấy mai con mặc cho nó có mũ.
Can I have hairspray? I'm just gonna spray my hair and then we look great.
Okay, great.
1, 2, 3. Hello, Hunnay!
Okay.
My fellow Asians, my người Việt, my người Á Đông. I see you, boo. I see you doing your thing, and we about to
Support that.
yeah, that part. First of all,
Membership.
have you joined the VI People membership club? When you join the VI People, you will get custom emojis. You'll get early access to our clips a whole day before they actually come out on Thursday. And when I go live, I see all of your guys' comments first. That's like my favorite part because then I can like boop, 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 see you guys because you guys come up a different color. And you guys get access to some of the clips that get cut from our episodes because they're so naughty.
That's a nice dress you have it on.
What is that?
Is that my phone?
Wait, let me be my phone. You don't know how to turn your phone on silent. You go to thing and vibrate right there.
Okay.
I have a special shout out from Yasra Benchiki. You're a member, I see you.
Yasser says, I love you so much, Jeannie. Will you ever visit Morocco? It would be my dream coming true to see you in person. I love you. You've helped me with your advice to become a strong and confident woman. Even though life is very difficult at the moment for me financially and emotionally, you always seem to find a way to cheer me up. XX, a true fan.
Yasra, I have been to Morocco. My favorite thing in Morocco is to go street shopping. The textiles, hand-woven garments. I should take Mama Mai.
Special coffee. Is that one?
Moroccan coffee?
The one we went with your best friend. She's a queen.
That is Princess Rima, yes.
Yeah.
No, you went to Saudi Arabia.
Oh, that's very famous coffee.
So anyway, we'll be coming to Morocco. When I come, I'll show her on the map where exactly it is so she doesn't get it mixed up for other countries. But thank you so much for inviting us. I also heard that you're going through some rough times. I know this sounds a little too optimistic, but believe you me, the times where I was hitting the darkest moments of my life is where I really came to the success I found in myself today. Whatever's going on right now, dig deep inside of you and fight through it and make sure you stay really focused on your dream, and I promise you this will take you to a better place. So the last few weeks, I've been waiting to do this episode because I bought all of these products.
Oh, it was you this time.
I've been waiting to have this episode for a long time. Do you listen when I'm doing these intros?
You make me fall to sleep.
Every time I watch our episodes and I'm doing this important
You talk
intro,
too much.
you look crazy. You look like you're like,
I'm on the air.
you look like you're doing the mannequin challenge. Like, say something important. I'm gonna show you how you look. What are we doing today, Mom? Go.
Today we're gonna show you some product from, is it from Vietnam or from here? But we just want to support the Vietnamese, the Asian people, okay? Whatever the product they have, that's why Jeannie, she bought it for me. You bought it for me or for you? Hell no, I don't know, but we'll see, right?
You see how stupid I look?
You will look stupid all the time. So what does it
Mom.
make any difference?
Mom, when I'm doing my intro, listen to what I'm
I do, but
Mom, listen and care. Can you care?
No, because I realize Morocco and the other one is the different countries. I'm thinking, oh, I thought they are one. So I'm thinking, someday
Mom, that's like saying Vietnam and China are
I
the
know,
same country.
no, but I'm daydream. No, that's the difference.
I
Okay, fine, don't
Pay
worry.
attention. You always look I've never mentioned that, but it's the one thing I notice every Hello Honey I do with Mama Mai. She looks so freaking weird because she's all zoned out and like floating over the camera and she's not even listening and you just look. I believe in not throwing things out. Our membership club allows you access to early episodes. When you join the VI People membership club, you get access. So this company is called A Good Used Book. They are a couple. It's Chris and Jenny, and they both
Korean.
are Korean American. That's right.
I heard it.
Thanks for paying attention.
You're welcome.
Thanks for finally caring about what I'm sitting here saying. So anyway, I ordered for them. Chris and Jenny, thank you so much for providing good used books. Oh my God, so cute.
That's very cute.
How adorable. I didn't think it was gonna be actually one of the originals. This is one of the first books I read by Maya Angelou. It's called I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings. It's so good. Mom, what does that say?
The eyes. That's the Asian eyes.
Okay, what does the book say, Mom?
The book said Makikosha sister. Their sister.
Makioka.
Makioka sister.
The Makioka sisters. So this is a novel. Oh my God, they're in such good quality too. They have a great collection of all different kinds of books. Look at this one we got. Costume design in the movies. So you can see all the different ways that women used to dress over the decades of Hollywood.
Yeah, that's a long time ago, huh?
Right?
That's really
Isn't that
nice.
beautiful? They did great packaging too to make sure that my books don't get damaged. The whole point of my video is to remind you to skip Amazon once in a while. Whether it's Black-owned businesses or Asian-owned businesses, make sure that you're supporting people in minority groups to let these communities flourish. When you shop from a good used book, not only are you buying great literature, but you're also supporting this couple in possibly opening their first pop-up store in Los Angeles. You guys have the power through your dollar to make this happen, so please support them and let's see this pop up in LA.
Why don't you tell them to help my clothing line? They help me, I buy a book and they buy my clothes. We help each other.
You can
I
email.
have a small,
They have a customer
clothing
service
line
email.
too.
You can email them separately. My next company is called Bloom, and Bloom is founded by two sisters, Taryn and Bunny. Taryn and Bunny found that our everyday society kind of shames the period. Women's periods. Why is it weird? Why is it awkward to talk about? And it shouldn't be that way. Bloom has tampons. Look how adorable this is. Organic cotton, non-toxic. Inner piece for your inner lining.
Oh, that's a mini. That's very cute.
You don't need that anymore.
That's good, when you carry in the airplane for travel. That's
How
good.
long would it take for you to get through that?
I don't know. I forgot. That's a long time ago already.
When did your period stop, Mom?
45. So that means you're gonna finish by 45. I think 47. 47, I stopped my period.
Really? 45? I thought it was like in your 60s.
No, depend. My mom finished early, so I finished early.
Bloom also provides skincare. They don't want you to focus on having perfect skin. They want you to have glowy, great, healthy skin. So here's their Daydreamer, which is your dream cleanser come true. They also have a moisturizer. I can't wait to use this because they promise that this will give you really nice, rich, moisturized, glowy skin.
That's a nice one.
And this is deodorant called Hug Me. It's a very light fragrance. They also have something called Cloud 9, Mom, which is...
Eyeliner.
No, it's actually essential oils in a roller ball so that you can relax and
make it smell
remove your
good.
stress. Oh my gosh, it's so cute, you guys. Oh,
Let me see.
Mom.
Oh,
Mom.
Let me see. You can give it to me.
I
Good
love
one. I like
this.
that. That's all. I like that one. The best. I hold it for you.
Yeah, right. Thank you,
Yeah.
Bloom.
Thank you.
My next product is my ultimate fave. It's not the first time I've talked about it on the show. I actually bought it because I have to replenish. You know how everybody in the kitchen has their few number of seasonings that they have to have in order to make dishes yummy? This is mine, and it's called Yay Yays!
Oh, yay.
A mom-owned brand of amazing seasoning and spices for Asian cooking, but basically you can use in any type of cuisine. The chili paste. This, Mom, do you remember using this? You probably
use
never.
it, yeah.
You remember this?
Yeah.
The seal of freshness. This is a mother-daughter owned brand, very much like us.
I like
and they make yayes in their very own home.
We can use that for Mumbai way too.
Can you open that one, Mom?
Yes, I will.
There is nothing like this spice. It's not like hot chili, it's like savory, delicious, flavorful chili. This right here is their fried garlic. I add that to everything. Ramen,
Noodle soup, everything.
noodle soups, sautés, chow mein, anything you want fried garlic in, it just gives this super pungent garlic flavor if you're a garlic lover like me.
It's really good.
I love you so much that I ordered your very own.
One for you, one for me?
Yeah, so you
Okay.
can have the bigger one.
Okay.
Here's your
the small
chili garlic.
one. Okay, I like that. Yeah. That's cute.
So make sure to shop your Yay today. I swear your cooking is never going to taste the same. The next product comes from very close to home for us. So this is the first ever Vietnamese American brand.
I'm sorry. Okay.
It's the first ever Vietnamese American owned brand of coffee. It comes from a 4-generation deep farm in Vietnam, and the founder of this is actually the daughter of a Vietnamese refugee family.
Just like us.
And believes to have delicious fragrant coffee. And if you've ever had cafe soda or any type of coffee from Vietnam, it's so rich and fragrant, and it's unlike any other coffee anywhere else. The most thoughtful part about Nguyen, by the way, I'm saying it Nguyen, and I feel a little guilty
Nguyen?
because the real way to say this
Nguyen?
name is Nguyen. Some people have said it's Nguyen or Win or Nguyen, which is the worst. If you really want to learn, because you can say you learned it from here, hello Hunnay, say it Nguyen. Like, say thing. You know that NG at the end, it comes from the back of your throat, thing. So use that same NG to say Nguyen. NG, W-I-N, NG. Like that. Nguyen, NG, W-I-N-G. Nguyen. The most popular name in Vietnamese culture. The great thing about this coffee is you don't just buy regular coffee, you can also buy a starter kit, Mom,
Really?
that teaches you how to make cafe soda for the very first time.
Wow, I like that.
Oh my God.
Smell it?
Mom.
Let me see. Oh, you can smell it, yeah.
And look at this. This little tin can makes the most amazing coffee, and the potency of our coffee, unmatched. And check out this little line here. Thank you for hustling with us. They believe that when it comes to minorities building their businesses, it's a hustle, and we gotta get to the top. Thank you, Nguyen.
Thank you.
So pretty. I love the packaging. Nguyen Coffee Supply was founded by a first-generation Vietnamese American woman. Like me.
That's really nice, huh? Really nice.
My next product comes from Clean Circle, and Clean Circle comes from a founder who is very, very responsible when it comes to the environment, for ethical working environments for her employees, and also really good, thoughtful, earth-concerned beauty products, because we should not be contaminating the earth further as we're trying to beautify ourselves. Already, what I get here is an adorable handwritten note from Clean Circle.
Yeah, very nice handwriting.
The founder signed it herself from Lena. Stickers, adorable, Mom. You can put that on your car. How cute is this packaging, Mom? Look how beautiful these colors are. There's empowering statements all over.
Very
the perfect
simple
sustainable
color.
alternative to single-use cotton rounds. Cotton is not a reusable substance. It actually produces more waste, and we use so much cotton, from tampons to makeup removers. I got reusable ones because if I'm already doing the laundry to wash my clothes, why can't I just throw my rounds in there and reuse my makeup wipes so that I don't have to continue making this waste?
You can open it.
Oh my gosh.
That's really soft.
So here's something to really keep in mind. When you use cotton, as much as you think that it's soft, it actually isn't the softest. Your eye has the most tender areas of skin. So whatever you use on your eye, you want it to be really gentle, because we do it at least twice a day.
Right.
And it can pull out your eyes, and ain't nobody trying to get rid of wrinkles at the age of 30. These reusable pads from Clean Circle are the softest material I've ever felt. It's like a baby's blanket, and they're made out of bamboo.
A bamboo?
Bamboo.
The bamboo, you're talking about the tree?
Yes.
Oh, I didn't know that.
She even gives you a little laundry bag so that
Yeah.
you can put them in here
And you
and
can wash it.
wash them at the end of your week.
Wow. Jeannie, you can use for panda eyes too. Your panda eyes. Two of them, one this side, one that side. Yeah, it's very soft. Why, what's wrong with that?
Use them safely on your eyes, please. Your real
That's really
eyes.
good.
Growing up, all I saw that were made in Vietnam when it comes to shoes are Nike. Nike has always made their shoes from Vietnam as long as I remember.
Oh yeah.
Aren't there any other shoe brands out there that I can shop from instead of Nike? I found it.
Tennis shoe? Wow.
How dope are these beautiful kicks? This company, Avra, loves the earth like we do. One thing that contaminates the ocean the most is plastic bottles. What they have done is they actually use recycled plastic bottles to make the shoes. They actually give you a little note here that tells you this shoe is made from recycled plastic bottles. And when you invest in a pair of Avras, you are helping the fashion industry move towards more sustainable practices. The shoes feel so lightweight and comfortable. I hate shoes that feel really stiff.
Very light.
Also, the inside is made out of wood chips, so that the entire shoe is sustainable. If you also want to join the AVRA campaign and be proud of being Asian American by going to their website, wearing the sustainable clothing, and joining their movement. So thank you, AVRA, for my amazing shoes. I can't wait to wear it.
I like it. It's my size.
Get your own.
How come I don't have it? Oh my God.
I'll buy you another pair. Those were made out of 8 to 10 water bottles.
Oh my God, really? Mom, I don't waste anything.
Now that I've got my shoes, I was also like, what Asian business out there makes clothing? Because I love lounging around the house and I like wearing loose and comfortable things. So are there any Asian founders that make comfortable clothing? See, isn't this adorable?
That's very beautiful.
Thank you, Mom.
They should give one for me too.
So we
Is that for me?
This is a brand called Sunday School. Look how dope their font is. Their colors are so brilliant. I got the short set, obviously in orange. I'm excited to try your stuff because I think it feels so good. I like the colors. It's lightweight. The price is right. The founders are Dae and Mia. These are 2 Korean Americans who moved to America from Korea at the age of 13 by themselves. And today they are founders of Sunday School. I love it. Mama Mai, you and I could be twinning. And I saved one more thing from Yeye's because I wanted you to try it, Mom, but it's their newest product. It's their firecrackers, which is hot fried chili.
Yay. Jeannie, you got everything for yourself. Now you let me eat the hot pepper? That's very rude. It's so spicy. Ngon á. Crunchy. Really good. I like it.
So good.
Oh, those are good.
If you like spicy snacks,
That's really good. To drink beer.
yeah, I hope that I inspired your shopping in some way. Remember that you have power in your dollars, so make sure to spend it wisely. Have fun out there, and thank you to all these business owners. Congratulations. Bye.
And
don't forget to
to
subscribe.
subscribe.